Alright, so this is the fast one.
Okay, boom.
Remember, it's going to be super slippery, so kind of watch out for that stuff. So 10 seconds. Right 6, 300. It's all going to be soupy, so 3, 2, 1. And right 6, 300. Left 6. 300.
Off the middle.
Turn off the middle. That's left 6 crest, right 5. Crest, right 5 plus. This is right 5 plus after the crest. Long, 50.
Do we do the diff?
No. Okay, this is, I believe, right 5 plus, left 6. I don't know.
Right 5, and then like
left 6 maybe. Yeah, okay. Left 6 into right 6 maybe.
Yep.
See it? Okay. Yep. Left 5. Right 5. Left 5, right 5. This should be right 5 coming. This might be not right 5. Oh shit! Oh.
There goes our light pod.
Yeah. Can we still continue?
Yeah.
Okay. Time's way high. Crest. Into right 6. We gotta get somewhere. Right here.
Okay. Let's just kill it.
Yep, kill.
Damn it!
Yeah.
Well, at least, it wasn't our fault. There's nothing we could do about it.
You know what I forgot?
What?
I forgot to call the deer. There was a right for the deer.
Oh shit.
My bad.
You owe me beer tonight.